I found a Gmail alternative for cold email that will save you hundreds of dollars a month you would spend on Gmail mailboxes, as well as hours of time you would spend setting up domains and mailboxes. The superior alternative is InfraForge, and I'm going to show you how to use it to get domains and mailboxes in minutes together with automatic DNS setup. Let's get started. I'll share a full step-by-step tutorial in a bit, but first let me explain the main difference between these two platforms. Unlike Gmail, InfraForge provides dedicated IPs for your email infrastructure. This means that instead of a shared infrastructure, you have private email infrastructure. This lessens any risk that you could face when using a shared infrastructure. Risks such as other users in the pool abusing the platform by spamming that can greatly affect your deliverability. InfraForge enhances your deliverability by providing IPs that are dedicated to you and only you. You take full control of your email infrastructure with full customization. This makes InfraForge ideal for anyone who follows the best email sending practices and wants a reliable way to scale their cold email. Also, InfraForge is a lot more affordable than Gmail. Gmail business mailboxes start at $7.20 per mailbox a month, and InfraForge starts at $4 and gets to as low as $2.50 per mailbox a month. InfraForge also provides automatic domain, DNS, and mailbox creation and setup. Let me show you how to do all of that. First thing you'll need when you come to InfraForge is to get your domains. If you're not sure how many you need, I suggest using the mailbox calculator to figure this out. Once you're done, simply go to Domains and click Create Domains. Enter your primary domain name, select how many domains you'd like, and click Generate. Boom! You have all your domain names generated and ready to buy. If you want, you can add more. Once you're ready, click Next and add or change domain forwarding or DMARC records. Click Continue, add your details, and check out. That's it! You have all your domains ready with no need to fiddle around with DNS record setup. Now let's get you some mailboxes. Before you can get any mailboxes, you need to acquire mailbox slots. Mailbox slots allow you to have active mailboxes. By buying mailbox slots rather than mailboxes themselves, you save a lot of money. Because if for some reason you want to discard and replace your mailbox, you can simply delete it and spin up a new one with no extra costs. You don't have to individually pay for each and every mailbox you create. And getting mailbox slots is relatively easy. Just click on mailbox slots, select how many you'd like, and subscribe. And now you can create your mailboxes. Here's how. Simply click the plus button next to your mailboxes and click Auto Generate Mailboxes. Here, select your newly bought domains that you want to use to create the mailboxes and add the number of mailboxes per domain that you'd like. We suggest having 2 or 3 mailboxes per domain. Now you'll be able to pick out names for your mailboxes. It's recommended to use random male and female names, but if you'd like, you can manually assign names for the domain batches. Once that's done, click Next. Now you can review and edit your email signature. If you'd like, you can add a forwarding email and click Generate Mailboxes. That's it! You went from nothing to fully set up domains with DNS records and mailboxes that are ready for warm-up. Lastly, all you need to do is export all of your mailboxes to any email sending provider you'd like. That's done by simply exporting and uploading a CSV. Warm up your mailboxes and start sending emails with super high deliverability. One last thing, if you'd like the same thing, just not on a private email infrastructure, but rather shared IP pools just like Gmail, I suggest taking a look at this video, where I talk about InfraForge's alternative Mailforge with similar pricing and features just in shared email infrastructure. Bye!